Hey guys, Mr. Milton here. Today we're looking at circles in the coordinate plane notes. At the end of this video, you should be able to write the equation of a circle and find information from the equation of a circle. Okay, and you should be able to graph a circle from its equation. All right, let's talk about the equation for a circle. It goes like this on the coordinate plane. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, the center of the circle is found at the point HK. Okay, and the equation gives us the radius squared. Oops. All right, r squared, the radius squared. Okay, the operation between the x term and the y term is addition. Okay, and so notice that they give us basically the opposite of our x value for our center and the opposite of our y value for our center of our circle. Okay, all right, let's look at some problems. It says identify the center and the radius of the circle given by each equation. Then graph the circle. All right, so looking at this, we have our x, it's minus 3, right? We know our center is the opposite of that, so our x value is positive 3. Our y is positive 2 or plus 2, so our y value for our center is negative 2. Okay, and then our radius squared is 16. In order to find out our radius, we take the square root of 16, which is 4. Okay, so with that information, then we can plot these points. We have a point at 3, negative 2, a radius of 4, and so I'll just do 4 the easy way. 1, 2, count it vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count down. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and so then my circle, I'll try to make it a circle. Okay, touches those points. All right, and so that's how we get the equation of our circle. Okay, looking at number 2. Our center, plus 1, so it'll be minus 1. That doesn't have anything here, right? It looks a little bit different, but that would be like plus 0. Okay, and we don't need to necessarily, all right, plus 0 is kind of a waste of time. Okay, it gives us r squared is 4, so r must be 2. So negative 1, 0, right here. Do the same thing, count up 2, to the right 2. To the left 2, down 2. Okay, and then our circle should include those points. All right, not too bad there. Just a couple more things here. It says write the equation of a circle with center at 5, negative 8, and a diameter of 12. So first, remember that our center h comma k helps us out. Okay, and that for the equation of a circle, we want to find the radius. If the diameter is 12, then our radius is 6. Okay, with this information, we should be able to write the equation, referencing back to our formula for a circle, or equation of a circle. X minus h, so x minus 5 squared plus y minus negative 8, and that's just plus 8 squared equals r squared. So 6 squared is 36. And then finally it says, write the equation of the circle with center at negative 4, 2, and goes to the point 3, 1. Okay, so it's a nice, difficult problem. Well, almost. Conceptually, though, it should make sense. We'll get to why we can find this. Here we go. So if our center is at negative 4, 2, negative 4, 2, I'm going to use different colors so I can see it. Negative 4, 2, somewhere right here, center. And then they give us, that goes to the point 3, 1, over 3, up 1. Okay. What we're really looking for, and understand that from the center to the side gives us, like if we know it goes through this point, center to the side. This line is our radius. Okay, and we want to know the distance of that radius because those are two things we need to know for a circle. We need to know that its center, which we know, so we can already start with the things that we know. This is h, this is k, and so we can say x plus 4 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals. So this part is what we're looking for. We want to know what our radius is, so we can find our radius squared. And so we can use the distance formula, okay? Our distance formula, remember, x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Kind of seems very close with our formula for a circle, or equation for a circle. And so as we look at this, we'll do -4 minus 3 gives us -7. I'm just going to say -7 squared plus 2 minus 1, which is 1 squared. And so we have 49 plus 1, which is 50. So then we get that the distance, not diameter, is radical 50. Okay, that's R. Okay, so since the distance is radical 50, then we can do radical 50 squared, which just gives us 50. So here's our equation of our line, of our circle, sorry. All right, and so that's circles on the coordinate plane. Now you know how to write the equation, how to graph it, and how to use information to write the equation as well. See ya.